What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Poppy Blasted, man. And today, y'all are going with me to get a haircut, alright? Y'all gonna rock with me all day. My appointment is at like 2 something or 3. Right now, it is early, you feel me? It's like 6:50 in the morning. I gotta go to the gym. I gotta do my regular scheduled program. So I'm hit the gym. Before I hit the gym, of course, I gotta eat, man. I gotta eat my pre-workout, and I don't take any pre-workout. You feel me? My pre-workout is food. You know what I'm saying? And that is whole grains. So what I'm gonna do is I might make a bowl of cereal or probably just oatmeal or something like that. But coming to the mind right now, and I just thinking about it right now. Most likely, I'm just gonna make a shake. So I'm gonna make a healthy shake. Show y'all how I make that. Y'all pretty much already know how I make that. So I'll make a healthy shake. From there, we going to the gym. Y'all gonna rock with me all day, man. We going to the gym. From there, we gonna get a haircut. I'm sure y'all the results and all that. So y'all rocking with PB all day, man. Y'all already know what it is, man. PB Fitness, Poppy Blasted, aka Rope God, man. Coming at y'all with another vlog. And I want to let you guys know. Thank you guys, actually. Before I, finish off the video, thank you guys for always supporting me 100. Y'all know the real PB, and just not listening to what other people say. You feel me? People always trying to get, known off your hard work. You feel me? Don't let nobody ever take that from you. Ignore the hate, because if you're great, they gonna hate. All right? If you're great, they gonna hate. You know what I'm saying? So don't never let nobody try to, blow up off your name or nothing like that, man. Just keep doing what you're doing. You know what I'm saying? Blessings gonna keep coming, and we gonna keep rocking, man. PB Fitness, PB fans, PB support. Love y'all. Let's get it.
Ooh, Fred, drop that shit.
YouTube, so now that we done with our pre-workout meal breakfast, now what's what I do next, man? I just pretty much just make my protein. So when I get done, as soon as I get done, I pour water in here. My protein is in this little thing right here. I undo it, pour it in, boom, drink it up right after my workout. So as soon as I'm done, you know what I'm saying, so I can feed those puppies, and then I come home and I eat and all that. But we get into that later. Then you always gotta have a gallon of water, man. You know what I'm saying? This water is life for you, okay? So crystal geyser, gallon of water, drink all that. It'll be done by the time I get home. You feel me? Then this right here is my BCAAs, man. You know what I'm saying? I do a lot of cardio. What BCAAs is basically is a replenishment for after you get done when you work with your basically the recovery for your muscles, so that you will lose weight, body fat, and not lose muscle. You know what I'm saying? So that's pretty much what that is. You lose body fat, not muscle, and actually it kind of helps you too not to get injured, because it's recovery. It's for like recovery and stuff. So this right here is what that is. BCAAs, man. Do your research on it. It's good. So now I got this. Let's get right into it, man. We finna go to the gym. Let go.
Fed watching niggas steal my gun. I'm gone. I don't see my.
All right, we just pulled up to the gym right now. I'm about to go in here. You already know, man, I do cardio first, man. So I'm gonna get some clips. We gonna do some cardio. You feel me? Today is actually, you know, back day. So I'm gonna do full back. You feel me? Including my rear delts. So I'll do rear delts. We do our lats. We gonna hit our traps too. So traps, rear delts, lats, full back, man, workout. You already know what it is, man. So, you know, get a couple clips in there. And yeah, let's get our day started.
Fredo, the producer. Fredo, the producer. Fredo, the producer.
All right, y'all, so we got a good workout in, man. As y'all can see, sweating like crazy, man. The back, I got back in, you know what I'm saying? Did a little bit of cardio before then. And yeah, y'all saw everything. So now we about to head back to the house, take a shower and all that. You know what I'm saying? Cater to my baby, my daughter, and the kids, man, and chill out for a little bit until it's time to get a cut. You feel me? So that's what this video is all about. It's basically the haircut, but I figure why not throw everything else? That way you guys can follow me throughout the day. You know what I'm saying? See what I do on the day. You know what I mean? Working out and all that. So yeah, man, y'all keep it locked. Alright, y'all, so it is officially time to get a haircut. Okay, it's time to cut off this woof, man. I've been woofing for about, I lost count, tight. I lost count, man, but I've been woofing for a while. So I think about, I say about almost 3 months, or maybe 3 months. I don't know, I forgot, but it's been a long time. I lost count, man. That's how long it's been. And as you guys see, you know what I'm saying, went to the gym and all that, did a little bit of editing, took a shower and all that. You know, I got my kids with me because they getting a haircut because tomorrow they start school again. School's back in already, yes. I know, yes, though, I'm happy. I ain't gotta be worrying about them bothering me all the time. Anyways, man, so we gonna go in a barbershop, man, and get this cut, man. I'm gonna show you guys the results afterwards. You already know, man. Keep it locked. This actually is the next day or whatever. I got real busy last night after the cut. It got late, so I couldn't record the rest of the video. So this is the next day, but we about to wrap it up right here, man. I'm finna show you guys the results right now of the haircut, man, the woof. And this right here is a prime example of woofing pays off. So always woof, all right, y'all? Woof all the time, in the summer, in the spring, winter, whatever. Just woof, okay? It don't matter, all right? So look, check it out. I'm about to unwrap right now, show you guys the progress, and make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, your boy Poppy for Blasted. I'm signing out. And always remember, when you great, they gon' hate. Alright? When you great, they gon' hate.
I done did shit for niggas 1,000 times. Told them no one time. And watch them talk about me crazy, run bite my back out. But I still stood tall. When you sitting at the top and you think you seen it all, caught up with your dreams with nobody else to call. With tears up on my face, cause I know I'm gonna be straight. Had to cut a couple homies, had to learn from my mistakes. This the price of being great. They hate you when you're winning, but they love it when you break. This the price of being great. This the price of being great. Oh, this the price of being great. They hate you when you're winning, but they love it when you break. This the price of being great.